Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, it's currently following sort of the count. We discussed it in the previous video that here for the C wave, probably one more wave down is missing. But again, I did also explain it yesterday when such a correction has started, and we know it's a correction that has started here in wave 2, that it's not entirely clear how much of a retracement is really needed to complete this correction, because a correction is correcting the previous impulse, or the previous motive wave. That previous impulse went to the upside, started on the 15th of March, 5-wave move to the upside, and I showed you yesterday the lower degree wave count, how this can be counted. There is no change needed. And what is a bit unclear, because we have two scenarios. We've got here the idea that we rallied in an impulse of the 10th of March, wave 1 came down in 2, rallied again in a wave 1, coming down in 2. Yeah, that would be the scenario for a shallow retracement. And in this scenario, basically one more low is needed below the previous wave 3. Did highlight to you yesterday what could happen here is sideways action in this fourth wave, because as you can see, we are currently moving in a fourth wave. Now that might be complete, but it could also be that this fourth wave unfolds as a triangle. Yeah, I don't have any evidence for that at the moment, but it could be that we are going to see here an A, B, C, D, E triangle before we come down in 5. Would be typical for a Saturday. Now, if we see a deeper retracement, we head into the yellow box. So the coordinates of the orange box are 1662, 1701, 1728, where we find support recently, very strong support. And 1756, which I can actually switch off because this has already been broken anyway. But what is key is here the 50% retracement. We found a lot of support there, here a few times. And a drop below that level will most likely first take it to this golden ratio, 1701 and then 1662. Below that level, however, I have to assume that this larger wave 1 did sit up here, and we come down in a deeper wave 2 into the yellow box between 1472 and 1608 with the golden ratio at 1552. But then, we cannot really determine that in advance. We just sort of need to see if it finds support in the orange area. And so far it did. But from this support area, it has simply failed to rally impulsively. And that is exactly what we want to see as a signal that this downtrend has ended. So for now, price action continues to be corrective. Again, it's Saturday. I don't necessarily expect too much price action today. If we move up from here in a third wave, which I don't think we will, because it seems like it needs another low here to complete this correction. But if we do, what would be the target for that circle wave 3? Target-wise, we're talking here about roughly $2,100, yeah? And then eventually, obviously, it should cascade even higher. So yeah, that's just a quick update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.